In this video, I'm going to show you how to find longest songs on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok app and let's create some videos. So hit that plus icon, and now you can use your camera or you can use your camera gallery to start creating a post. I'll select some movie from here and hit next. Now I need to tap there on sounds to open up sounds, and now I need to hit on this search icon to open up the full version of the sounds. So now hit on search and enter some search request like dance or hip hop, R&B or whatever you want. And now there you can hit on this filter icon, and there you got all the filters, and there you can sort these sounds by relevance, most used, most recent, shortest and longest. If you select longest and hit on apply, now you got your sounds sorted by this length, and now you see the longest sounds from the top. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.